We are so HGTV!
Yeah.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, what's up? I'm Ella. You should subscribe because I upload videos every Saturday and it is a very good vibe here. Anyway, I recently redid my room. If you remember, I had blue walls, I painted them cream, and I also added a few new things to my room. And I've never done a formal room tour video, so I thought today let's go ahead and do a room tour. So here's my door. She's very cute. And if we walk right over here, you can see Mr. Harry Styles. He is a reoccurring guest of the channel. Rachel's filming me. Thanks, Rachel.
Uh-huh.
Everyone say hi to Harry. Go in the comments. Tell Harry hi.
Hi, Harry.
And then if we walk right over here, we have my vanity. And I did a video in the past where I decluttered and organized this vanity, so you can go watch that if you have not seen it. But it has these cute fake plants, a oil diffuser, my makeup brushes, my lamp, and then these drawers have all of my makeup in it. Got a cute little fluffy chair, cute little mirror. If we look up, we have my cute Ella Logic Show sign and my Lindsey Sterling posters. Walking right on over. We have another makeup cart. This is where I just store all my other makeup. It's kind of messy right now, but. And then we have my dresser and my TV. It's a cute little antique wooden vibe. I really love the wood next to the cream. I got jewelry. Right behind, we have my picture collage. There's some pictures of me and Rachel, and then some of my friends, and also me looking cute right there. Nice, pretty rose color. We love her. We have my lizard. It's my pet lizard. His name is George. He has not been on the channel very much, so everyone say hi to George. We have my window. I actually might be getting new curtains. We just have white curtains right now. Moving right along, we have my pour paintings. So for Rachel's birthday, my sister Lily brought over some paint and she showed us how to do these cool pour paintings. So my sister Lily actually did this one, and I think they look really cute. Gives it a nice artsy vibe. My prized possession, my Broadway wall.
You can see me.
Oh my gosh!
Zoom into the cat's poster.
I've been working on this wall for literal years. I've been getting posters every time I go to Broadway shows, and there are also that I just ordered so that I could complete it. And this is my bed. I was actually nervous that the blue was gonna kind of look weird with all the warm tones I've been incorporating, but I think it looks very nice. My mom actually knitted this blanket, my very talented mama. Thank you, mother. Got the very cute pillows, the heart pillow. I'm pretty sure my entire bedding is from Target, if you're wondering. If we walk right on over here, this is one of my favorite parts of the room. So first of all, we have my record player and my Peppa collection. I collect Peppas. She is my favorite meme, and she's also my best friend. So that's just on a bedside table, and right below it we have a air plant in this little cute little glass thing. My sister Lily for Christmas got me this cute Harry Potter lamp thingy, and then my retainer. We don't need to look at that. Flashlight. Don't need to look.
Safety first.
Safety first. And right next to my record player, we have this cute little box of my records. I only have 2 right now. I need to get some more. We have the Billie Eilish record and the Panic at the Disco Pretty Odd. This is stuff you can use to clean your record. We have this little butterfly hanger, and this is just where I hang my purses. And right up there, we have this cute little light up star. It's from a hippie store in Roanoke. I'm very proud of my closet. When quarantine first started, I made these mood boards. So I love these mood boards so much that I decided to incorporate this aesthetic into the rest of my room, and that's actually why I decided to redo my room. So it just has these cute pictures that I found off of Pinterest. You guys should do a mood board if you haven't already. It's very fun little activity. Above my closet, we have a Broadway little license plate thing from the Broadway store in New York, and my mom made me this sign which has a quote from Wicked, and Wicked's one of my favorite musicals. Also, I hung these white Christmas lights around my closet, and I just think it pulls everything together, and I love the way it looks. We have my 2 ukuleles. We got these cute little ukulele hangers, and that is a little sugar skull sign. I can't remember where we got it. I think
New Orleans.
No, I think it was Texas, Austin, Texas. And lastly, right over here, we just have this little cute little corner. We have this dream catcher that Rachel made for me. Thank you, Rachel. We have this display box of some other Broadway little pamphlets. Lindsay Sterling VIP pass from when we met her. And that's
Broadway ticket.
And a Broadway ticket. These cute little boxes down here. Just random stuff in it. We don't need to open it. It doesn't look cute on the inside. So that is my room. I'm very proud of it. I love the way it turned out. Thank you, Mother, for helping me do it the past couple days. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Water. Let's just ignore her. She's empty, actually. She did this one, and then I...
Oh no!
No! Technical difficulty.
I want to move your phone off the bed.
Yeah.
You just threw it. Alright.
Behind the scenes of filming, Rachel's just having a judging face in the background. You're awful.
Hey, this is turning out really good. You're actually gonna be impressed.
Lily got me this cute little Harry Potter. Poddle. I can't speak. I love these more. We don't need to open it. It doesn't look cute on the inside. It looks cute on the outside, and that's all that matters. Doesn't matter. It's on the inside, folks. Next video. Bye.
That was good.